Good morning. It's August 15, 2020. I'm here in Marne, Iowa. There's a Baxter Triumph has a big auction today. All these motorcycles and all of this neat stuff here. Nice to walk through and look at all this neat stuff, and also nice to see what everybody rides in on. A lot of really interesting motorcycles, hopefully. Every year I've come, there always has been something odd, something unique, something fun to look at. So let's go see what we can find. Royal Enfield with a trike. Sidecar with a sidecar.
Start on that stick with a little.
Holy cow, 2 kicks. Boy, I love the colors. I love the look. Sings a sweet song, don't she?
Bleed your heart out.
This is a Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, I believe. And the fellows put a sidecar on the side. He was saying the sidecar actually cost more than the motorcycle itself. It looked really nifty. Nice thing. These two motorcycles here, the trike and the Indian next to it, I think were 58 and 54. And I think the trike sold for $45,000 that day. I'm not sure what the Indian, what this motorcycle here went for, but they were fabulous, just fabulous bikes. A fellow from Missouri brought 2 bikes up. His skill sets were amazing. The quality was second to none on his workmanship. This is the motorcycle I fell in love with. I have a weakness for old Sportsters, especially mid-60s Sportsters. This is a 65. It looked like 100 miles an hour sitting still.
65.
Beautiful motorcycle. Went for $47.50 at auction.
I don't know. I doubt it's original.
Beautiful bike. And something about it doesn't look right, but it's beautiful. So look at this one. Look at the seat on this one. 650 twin. Look at that gas tank. What year was this again?
17.
17, 9T, 1200 cc's.
Yes. 1170 cc's if you want to be technical.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. I bet it handles great. This is a 67, sold, sitting in the back room. 67. This is the Royal Enfield showroom area. A lot of nifty bikes in here. Kind of a sales room area. This is the Triumph building. They've got a whole slew of Triumphs in this building. I rather like red, and although I never want that particular bike, it's really a neat piece of machinery. And this beauty, sitting outside, minding its own business, was just gorgeous. There's so many gorgeous bikes there. This guy just falls in love with every one of them. These old Honda 4s have not come into their own in our area yet. We haven't started seeing them show up in shows yet. This Guzzi here was stuffed away. Hard to get good pictures of it. Very interesting motorcycle. I'd love to have seen more of it. But like I said, it was hard to get good shots of it because of its positioning. A few more show stealers. I think this was a mid-50s Harley. This one here was just absolutely gorgeous. Again, just beautiful bike. You know, something anybody would love to have. 441 Shooting Star BSA. Is it made to look old, or is that?
I don't know. They don't give us any information.
Right. Oh, let's see what the tag says anyway.
They don't.
Oh, it doesn't.
Don't tell
Must
us
have
anything.
must have to get that piece of paper. Well, but looking at the castings here, I bet that's old.
Yeah, sure.
Look how delicate
Sure
that
looks
is.
like
And
it.
of course, it's got a mag, but it says Harley Davidson on it. It's got the logo on the handlebars. Scuderia. Scootaway Drive. I used to have one of these in red. Broke the cam at 38,000 miles.
I thought what I thought it was going to be.
Beautiful motorcycles when they were new.
Yeah, that is little stuff.
Does it have a year?
68, yeah.
68. Like one of the first motorcycles I ever rode on when I was a little boy. There's La Sombra. Next to this beautiful little 900 Triumph. Next to this still ticking because it's hot, just got here Harley. Milwaukee 8. These things are just gorgeous motorcycles. They're way too big for me. But they're like a hot rod. You know, they're just smoking. These classics are starting to show up at shows. I love the way they look. Of course, these CVXs, you rarely see them anymore, but when you do, in the future, I think these are going to be showstoppers. A walk through the ocean of bikes. This 1100 Honda, I've heard a lot of good things about these bikes. I've heard they're real smooth, they've got lots of power, they just do everything right. I'd love to get a ride on one of them. Love to get a ride on one of them. Of course, the Vespa. Big old Boss Haas.
Belt drive V8 Boss Haas.
It says 502 on the valve covers. Good thing that thing must be 4 feet wide. Well, it's about 1:15 in the afternoon, August 15th, 2020. I'm out here at Baxter's. I'm about ready to head home. I got here early this morning, 10:30ish or so. This is a 3-day event. This is Saturday. It's started yesterday and it goes on until tomorrow. They're having an auction right now over yonder. But absolutely amazing set of motorcycles out here. And of course the parking lot is just as interesting as what's on sale and the showroom. So been a great day. Great day. Woo! I'm getting ready to go for a test drive.